Legend Trending Gossip TV. Remember guys to like, share, comment and follow. Today is the 16th of November 2022, and so guys, here's the latest quick update. And makorokoto kuna Madam Boss katenga and a Ford Ranger truck, a nice one is at the pictures are on your screen right now. And so this morning of our pindamu partnership ne Croco Motors amana one and my blessings, like for you, and my blessings. And I will tell you that most companies in Zimbabwe, they want to do business na Madam Boss, so they always look for an opportunity to work with her. That's how good her brand is. That's why makaona pa interview here vakaramba kuitiswa, vakaramba kutaura anything, because vaizeve kuti aiwa inini ndiri brand asa nevamwe mastreets ava inini ndiri brand. So she wrote on her Facebook account, she said, my Ford Wild truck opened a big opportunity for me, and now in partnership with Croco Motors, thank you so much for trusting the Madam Boss brand. I'm super excited to be part of the team. I'm not a lucky person, but I'm blessed. Blessed is my name. Tusangana pa robots, the Ford Ranger shamwari yangu yerwendo. My car maintenance is covered by Croco Motors. The journey continues, sales, service and parts. And so it's a good partnership, because to maintain that car, yes, you need money. You need money. I mean, of course, if you can afford that car, you can afford to maintain it. You can afford to actually put fuel in it. And it's a good part for you. Of course, should be advertising for Croco Motors. In return, they will be servicing your car. My parts, my tires, everything. So it's a good partnership. Just go post up on social media, go to Croco Motors City. Motor yako service after 6 months or so. That's a good deal. It's a very good deal. And so it's a good thing that Chukona, my socialists like Madam Boss, being given my opportunities with the big brands, and we hope that this will spread to all the upcoming socialists are kusumuka kuti vaonawo my opportunities are kuonawo Madam Boss. I mean, pa social media pane my opportunities aripo, and saka tongoti pakorokoto kwavari. And if you want to build yourself a brand, look at Madam Boss brand. Just learn and learn. Though example of a good brand, she has been signing my deals since last year part 1, this year, maybe next year again. She's still gonna be signing my brand endorsements. I don't see more Atushika Pana Madam Boss. I don't see any artist or any person in Zimbabwe but Madam Boss when comes my brand partnership. Do vakalida parizvino do vanechimuti. I mean, do chitongoripo even chapreza or whoever arikuimba or anozikanwa apana munhu ane brands like Madam Boss. Madam Boss ndo akabata zvese, and so we hope that those brands will also expand to many socialists and people of influence on social media. And so this is a XIMEX TV hub for the communities. Remember to like, share, comment and follow. Makorokoto Madam Boss. Bless up.